Welcome to the timeless fortress of Castel Sant'Angelo, a monumental structure that has stood as a guardian of history and a symbol of Rome's enduring legacy for nearly 2 millennia. Perched on the banks of the Tiber River, Castel Sant'Angelo is a testament to the architectural genius of the ancient Romans and their ability to blend form and function seamlessly. Originally constructed as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian and his family in the 2nd century AD, this imposing cylindrical building has played a myriad of roles throughout the centuries. As you approach Castel Sant'Angelo, you'll be struck by its harmonious blend of classical and medieval architecture. The towering cylindrical core, wrapped in ancient travertine stone, is crowned by a Renaissance-era papal statue of the Archangel Michael. It's a structure that stands as a testament to the enduring power of Roman engineering and the ever-evolving layers of history. Inside Castel Sant'Angelo, you'll discover a rich tapestry of uses and stories. It served as a mausoleum, a fortress, a papal residence, and even a prison. Its underground passageway, the Passetto di Borgo, connected the castle to the Vatican, allowing popes to seek refuge in times of danger. Can you imagine the secrets whispered within its walls? The rooftop terrace of Castel Sant'Angelo offers panoramic views of Rome, providing a breathtaking perspective of the city's historic center, the Vatican, and the Tiber River. It's a place where you can stand in the footsteps of emperors, popes, and countless historical figures, gazing upon a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. The interior of the castle houses a museum that preserves the artifacts and history of Castel Sant'Angelo. As you explore its chambers and corridors, you'll find a rich collection of art, weaponry, and medieval relics, each with its own story to tell. The Castel Sant'Angelo is also intricately linked to literature and art, most famously in Dante's Divine Comedy, where it serves as the final destination of the protagonist's journey to paradise. The castle's role in Dante's work highlights its place in the collective imagination as a symbol of transcendence and salvation. As you stand before Castel Sant'Angelo, let its majestic presence and storied history inspire you to reflect on the enduring legacy of Rome and the layers of history that shape our world. Just as the fortress has adapted and transformed over the centuries, your own journey is a part of the ongoing tapestry of time.